What?
It's usually what they say just before they disrespect.
Here's the last funny part about this episode.
That's exactly what they say just before they disrespect you, ladies and gentlemen.
Woo, baby. I'm excited about these.
Pre-warning, there's no disrespect.
There's no disrespect. There's no disrespect.
And then the Nike by You box shows up.
I finally designed a pair of Nike by You. I finally designed a pair of joints, and I felt comfortable enough to pull the trigger on them. So I'll just say this: I went into this design. No, I started designing these, and then I got inspired by the Dope Boy Air Max. Let's see if we know. You may not agree on what the Dope Boy Air Maxes were.
Okay.
But what pair of Air Max do you think were the Dope Boy Air Max? This is what we think, and this is what the internet says. The
Right.
Dope Boy Air Max. If you could pick out a pair, and I'll give you a hint, you had a pair of them.
If we're talking about
Corner Boy Dope Boy Air Max.
there would have to be 95s or not 97s. I have the ones for Carnival.
Say no more. Say no more. I designed these after the 95 neons. The 95 neons. With those in mind. Yup. Came with, I designed with a shoestring, but we'll pull those out, but I replaced them. So yeah, these are, what do they call these joints? These are, damn, I can't remember the name of them. I have a pair in my closet, the older version. Yeah.
He prefaced this, ladies and gentlemen,
It's not disrespectful,
with no
son.
disrespect, and then shows up with these cheese and crackers. Let's get involved here.
First and foremost,
First and foremost, these things don't weigh
anything.
This entire sole is one gigantic. All right.
He just noticed the back tabs, people.
Because if you're gonna do a Nike by you, you definitely have to put something on the tab.
You gotta put some on the
what
tab.
did he choose? All right. So
These are the Nike React Infinity Run 3. Nike React Infinity
Nike
Run
React
3.
Infinity Flyknit, designed to keep runners running.
Keep the shooters shooting.
Keep the shooters shooting, the pewters pewting,
Computers puting.
so that TVs can watch TV. If I have to tell you,
We can keep going with this. Flat screens on flat screens.
Flat screens on flat screens. Yeah, these are tough, man. These look very, very, very comfortable.
Son, they're so comfortable, man.
Very
It's
comfortable.
so comfortable, son. They are out of here.
The design of the shoe, honestly, is for runners, to be honest with you.
Yeah, you see it?
Because you can see
Under the,
you can see how it protects your foot. The Flyknit being at the top, but it still protects your foot in terms of hitting the ground.
You know what I would not be doing in these?
Running. Yeah. Ever. Maybe about 10 years from now, when they just get dirty or something. It's like, you know what? I need to do something. Let me use them for what they're designed. Okay. Let me start here. The tongue is attached.
Yes.
Except for this one little section at the top.
Yup.
So that it doesn't slide around on your foot.
Yup.
To keep the runners running.
Keep the runners running.
Then you got the black. There's this like mauve gray, and then a stone colored gray sole. That ties in to the Flyknit, which is different. It's the same knit, but it's done in different ways, different patterns.
Yep.
So the toe is one pattern here. The little bit of stitching for what would be the eyelet is a different pattern of black and white and gray.
Yep.
Right here on the corner where your pinky toe is a little different pattern.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Then you've got a different
white in there.
Then you've got a different pattern that runs across the back. And then that Nike sign, the gray plastic
Yep.
with the green plays on the mauve down here. Then you've got the white on the back that's just there for no reason.
God damn it, no damn reason.
And then the tab Brocky does.
Brocky does.
What's the meaning behind that?
This is what I do.
This is what I do. Bomb.
This is what I do.
Then you've got and the Nike embossed on this heel and Nike React on the other heel in the hard plastic portion, which is designed to keep and in the back of this is hard plastic designed to keep your heel in place and the shoe around you. Like this is, I just gotta see what it looks like though. That is crazy.
So these shoestrings are 3M. No, not the green ones. The ones I put in.
Yeah.
I got them from Lace Lab.
Oh, you swapped out the
I swapped out. I got them from Lace Lab.
Strings, which is crazy because I was gonna talk about them being a different texture.
No, I swapped them out.
And these have nothing to do with the sneaker.
No, I did that.
Perfect.
And it worked out really well because the tone of them, without the 3M technology, like the tone I'm just looking at them right now, it matches the plastic piece around the green sign. Like it's like a different tone. You know what I'm saying? It matches. And then when the lights on them, like when the 3M is really reflecting, they look white.
Yeah.
So it looks crazy.
Yeah. So when you designed it, it came with these.
I designed them with these.
With these.
Yeah, but I knew I wanted to replace the strings. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Because the strings got here before the sneakers got here. Like I knew I wanted to replace the strings.
Right.
And when they came in, I was like, all right, they cool with the green, but they nasty with these.
It's definitely more John Blaze with these. Yeah, I just wanted to see what that looked like.
No doubt.
It's a nice touch, but it's gonna be tough to. These will be used somewhere else.
I'm gonna get flat white 3M joints for the Air Maxes.
Nice.
You know what I mean?
Very nice.
That's gonna be nasty. Those.
Very nice. These are tough, man.
They don't. These are tough. I love them, man. I love them. You know what I'm saying? This is my style. You know how I do with the Adidas sock type of situation. I had to wear some Ultra Boost today. Just some Adidas. No, I'm not betraying y'all.
Yeah. It's really nice. Yeah, that's three Nike joints.
3 Nikes.
That's crazy.
It's 3 Nikes, yo.
Yeah.
So yeah, this episode is definitely interesting, man.
These are real tough, man.
Oh man, I love them. I put them drinks on and walk around. I'm like, the comfort is out here. But I've been saying for a while now, Nike React is a viable, it's a considerable competition with Adidas Boost.
It has to be. I'm sure that's the reason why
that's why it's
existed. Yeah.
That React shit is official. I got 2 pair of Reacts in my closet.
That's a really nice touch. So on the bottom, the little triangle tab says that this is a storm tread.
Yeah.
It's wet traction rubber. So it's made for running. Nice.
That means when it's raining outside and the weather's crazy, I'm gonna be there.
You can't get pushed around in these, ladies and gentlemen. You won't. What's the old school pimp saying? You won't push me off my square.
Could push me off my square. They sure did.
These are tough, man. That's tough.
Yeah, man. First pair of Nike by You joints that I've ever.
I'm gonna say it. I'm going to say it on camera so that we have it said. At some point, we're going to need to have. I don't know if Adidas does them, but I know Nike does it. a whiskey and kick sneaker.
Yeah, trust me.
A Nike buy you whiskey and kick sneaker, man.
Why do you think that I even went in there to play around with it? You know what I'm saying? Because we talked about that.
We did.
We talked about that.
We did.
I was like, all right, let me just put my, let me just see and whatnot. And I didn't want to go with the red because by the time I started designing these joints, like I said, the Air Max 95 neon, even though the neon is more like a yellow than a green, but the neon popped up in my head and I wanted to stay with that thing instead of going with the red like the whiskey and kiss colors. The red would look dope on there too though, but I just decided to go with the green. Yeah, and so I agree with you there, and the reality is that we'll talk about it off camera. We'll talk about it on camera.
Yeah, no doubt, no doubt. I just wanted it on the record, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.
Let's just say that there would be a design and then there'd be an additional design that Nike doesn't offer. For anything that I want to put out.
Absolutely. They're made to order. Absolutely. Yeah.
So, and I learned that from Westside. Shout out to Westside Gun with those Air Max high top joints with the snakeskin shit.
I just realized the Flyknit was written on the inside of this, where the Nike sign is on the outside of that one.
Oh yeah, yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Have you ever owned Flyknit? Anything?
I haven't, Esther.
Man, listen, it's not as bad as you think it is, bro.
Yeah. Not at all. Not at all.
It's not as bad as you think it is, especially being a runner and all that stuff too, as you are, or have been at least for sure. That shit, man, that is the comfort level is just out of here with these. So yeah, man, that's it, man. Good stuff, yo.
Yeah, man.
Good stuff. This is the interesting episode. Joe came here with Adidas. I came here with Nikes.
Yeah.
We both came here with the recycled joints.
The green and oranges. Yeah.
Both had green and orange colorways. And,
Yeah, it's a lot of coincidence.
Joe poured himself more rum.
It's a lot of...
Hey, how about that? Might have to sit around and cool out for a little bit.
Yeah. Always got to finish that.
Anything else you want to tell the people? Pause.
Nah, man. It's yeah, man. This is I had a good time today, man. We got some joints accomplished, man.
No doubt.
Yeah.
Good stuff, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's your boy Brocky, man. Whiskey and Kicks. We out.
Brocky, keep talking about whiskey and kicks.